Hello friends, so I am excited this time around. I wanted to show you what I'm going to do. There is a Counterfeit challenge group in Counterfeit community, Counterfeit kit challenge blog. This is the November kit that they will be counterfeiting and I will be counterfeiting, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So let's see if I can click over and show you. All right, do you see these colors? I'm seeing like this whole gorgeous, like nice yellows, blue grays. There's these really cute like little strand of twinkly lights. I am loving this kind of hand-drawn coffee cup thing. But when I looked at it, I was like, that really looks like snow and cocoa to me. Now the colors are a different blue. The yellows are different, but I guess like Janet would say, the mood and feel looks like snow and cocoa. I'm gonna probably go ahead, if I can, depending on how my filming looks, I'm gonna go ahead and put this picture somewhere in this video because I really want you to see it. Now what else do I see when I see it? I see little snowflake shapes, some enamel dots, nice and easy peasy on that one, and a couple little die cuts. Oh, and look at these cute little words. Oh, I love little words. Okay, so I wanted to start with the papers because, you know, that makes sense to me. And so what I did is I went over to my, I have like a little section in my room of just 12 by 12 loose papers. And I went over there and I'm like, what's in this bag? And I'm telling you, right behind it was most of this kit already put together. And I was like, okay, that seems a little too easy. So I only had to add a few of these pattern papers. So let me show you what I came up with. Oh, and also I was going to show you that in this picture, there are like 3x4 cards. And that's why I thought I'd go ahead and start with this cut apart sheet from the Snow and Cocoa line. Snow and Cocoa crepe paper. And this is at Tuesday Morning right now. I don't know if this paper is, but a lot of the line is. So this is going to be how my color scheme goes. Like I said, I liked that darker yellow. The bluish tones are different in the kit, but this is how I am feeling. So the back side is just this really great gingham. This side is snowmen and adorable little trees. I've got some banners. I have, oh, I think originally in Snow and Cocoa there was like a little pocket mason jar thing. Anywho, I like the text as well. So I'm going to start here. And I know a lot of this sheet will get covered up, but I'm going to start there. Then, where do I want to go next? I'll just go ahead and go for it. All right, this was, oops, look, there's a little tab. I'll add that in my kit. This was clearly from a paper pad from Once Upon a Time. I don't even know which one, but the colors are looking pretty darn spot on to go with that. Once again, this is a paper pad sheet, lots of little birds, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a really nice subtle ledger with pink lines, and it's off-white definitely behind it, but I loved the cute little birdies. This is a vintage Bow Bunny piece of pattern paper. Let's see if it, oh, 2009. Now that side, not feeling that side at all. No to that side, but love the usability of this side. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put it right here to break up some of that pattern. Now next, this is another, see, and it's single-sided. I think these two were single-sided as well. Yes, they are. This is just a nice little animal print, aqua with black little dots on it. This sheet looks like it's from the same collection. I have no idea when I tore this out. A really easy to use pink and off-white. This looks like crepe paper gingham. Look at this. No idea whatsoever. Now it's super thin. That's interesting. This is a Snow and Cocoa paper. It is Rosy Cheeks. So I love this. Look at this arrow, and it has like little yellowing from tape up here. And then I mean, you can use this for any season. This one it just doesn't matter, but they look kind of like gumdrops to me. Maybe because we're going into the Christmas season. I don't know. Super usable, but flimsy, so definitely won't be the background page. Black and white polka dot, and look, I think this was from a pay it forward, not a pay it forward. Was it a pay it forward box? Whatever you call it, where you fill up a box and send it to the person. Okay. And then one more crepe paper, Snow and Cocoa. It's a really great plaid on this side. Look at how great that goes. And the cute little houses and the birdies and all that stuff on this side. So I think we'll go like that. So those are my pattern papers I'm using. And then this was already in this kit that I had put together. I think I had to add 3 papers to have as many papers that were in the inspiration kit. Now I have a set of Heidi Gray's mini letters, and these were even hand-me-downs to me. So it looks like, is that Joann's store? Is that the old price tags for them? And then I have a Kelly Perky, just they're flat pink alphas, but it's bringing in like this color of the pink really well. And then I needed a textury kind of alpha, and these are, let's see, they're called Surprise. They're holographic. See the little holographic thing? Neither of these packages are open, but I'm about finished with a page kit with the same exact alpha. And if I do finish that page kit during the month, I'll go ahead and add it with these just so that they're all together. So I have the 2 flats and a dimensional alpha. Great. Now, I did really, really like, let me show you. I really liked, there's like little snow things in here, and there was something about clouds that I really liked in this kit, and I'm trying to find it while I talk to you. And you know, that's not going to happen while I talk to you, and that's fine. That's how it goes. All right, so this is taking care of the 3x4 cards. I put some alphas in here. There weren't alphas in the original kit, but I did like the idea of adding these cute little clouds. Now, this was a full cut file. I've used a few different bits and pieces because I like doing that. And there was a piece of paper as well as die cuts with twinkle lights, and these are from one of the Jen Hadfield collections that I picked up from it Tuesday morning. This is chipboard, and this is just a cardstock sticker. So I went ahead and threw them on there because it's giving me that same kind of vibe, right? Now, within this kit already put together, I had these, they're EK Success vellum stickers. And they're vellum, but not super vellumy. There's a little bit of opaqueness to them. And they are silver, so I thought that would work with the hologram. So I've got a set of those, and I think those are hand-me-downs as well. So I do have the full set, unopened, of Snow and Cocoa puffy stickers. And they're so cute. Like, look at all the stars. Oh, and I think, is it in Scraptember? Is it on one of the Facebook sites? Stars are our concentration, and I love kind of following along with concentrations of products because you end up using them up more. That's pretty much the whole reason why. But look at that adorable little polar bear. It's so cute. All right, so that's going to bring in more of the Snow and Cocoa, right? And then I had already had these pulled from when I made this kit once upon a time. So the colors are going to be spot on. These are vellum hearts, a chipboard that says okay, and I really think that and that are Dear Lizzie, these pieces. That was a crepe paper one, not sure what collection. That's the crepe paper collection. Oh, the one that was like carnival-y. And both of these are like little shaker bits, and those are Chamel. So that's kind of cool. I had a couple bits and pieces to use there. Oh, and I have just these 3 little, they're kind of like Post-it note pieces from something. Don't know. All right, so let me show you this. This is, you know, just like one of those little photo boxes, and I had already put in a few different really interesting pieces in here. So I've got these Heidi Swap glitter shapes, which are pretty cool for something like this. Now, these pieces, I don't know if these are Snow and Cocoa or if they were from this exclusive Hip Kit Club from Once Upon a Time. And let's see, can you see that? It says Enjoy. It's hard to see. It's a clear sticker from Amy Tan. I have clear acetate. That is a little gray star from Heidi Swap. Hello Washi. So I have, look, these are washi pieces. That looks like a Chamel piece. It's just a sticker. I've got some star puffies, and remember I told you I'm concentrating on stars, so that works out. I mean, quite frankly, all of these look like starbursts. So I have all of these bits and pieces that I can tell I pulled from my color drawers. Oh look, I have some Freckle Fun little black cameras. I've got these great little enamel arrow shapes. A clip. I'm not really good at using clips. I'll probably just cut that out. But if I use it, I use it. I've got some of these nice little stickers. Now the navy blue isn't working great, but definitely this lighter blue I could probably work in. So my point is, I have some bits and pieces from Absolute Stash in my color drawers that I pulled probably last year and didn't get around to using, and I am using them this year, and that's perfectly fine. And these little tiny, these little 4x6 drawers are great for just using up those random bits that you want used. And then lastly, there were enamel dots in our great kit here. These are the enamel dots that they included. But what I'm using is the Chamel Glitter Girl. Gosh, the Glitter Girl collection. I have circles, I've got stars, and I've got hearts. And the colors are fab for this. Then I did see in my enamel shapes just black, silver, gold, super usable there. I mean, these have all been used a bit. I have no idea what collection these are from, but they're going in. These are a really great like matte finish. I have white and gray, but like I said, they're matte, so you get a different kind of vibe from them. Once again, don't know where these are from, but they are satin, which is kind of cool. I just had an enamel dot fall. What are the chances I'll find that? Oh, here it is. Found it. It's a little silver guy. And then I have a partially used pack of both very yellow gold and silver enamel dots. So that's going to be my kit, and I'm going to try to play along this month. I know that they do a forgery on the 4th, and I'm going to make those coffee cups that were in the original kit. I'll make sure that it's right here so you can see it, I hope. I'm going to freehand draw and I think watercolor in, or use mist, whatever, some kind of wet medium to mimic the colors in this kit. I loved those. And then there are 2 challenges. See those little coffee cups? I love those. There are 2 challenges as well this month. I don't know what those are yet, but I'm going to follow along with them. And at the end of the month, I will do a kill-a-kit, and we'll see how much of this fun, gorgeous, kind of wintry vibe, but still can use for other things. I mean, I will be able to use it for a couple different layouts. We don't have winter here yet, but we will this month. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of these in one of my IKEA bins so that I can see my goodies at a glance. And I'll be back as soon as I can to show you what I've done next. All right, goodbye, friends.